Hey guys, Richard here with eBike Reviews. I want to talk to you for a moment about air compressors for your bike. When I first got my bike, I went out and I purchased several air compressors, one at a time. You tried it and it just junk, and I sent it back. I'd buy another one, it was junk, I sent it back. And I did that, I don't know, 4 or 5 times, and I finally came across this one right here, and I wanted to show you because it is impressive. It is small, so it's like shaped like a pill. You've probably seen it on Amazon. It's really a no-name brand. The name brand is like vegetable soup. It's just a bunch of letters or something. I don't know what it is. But this is USB recharged, and you can set the tire pressure that you want it to be. You can turn it on, walk away from it. When it reaches that pressure, we have a helicopter flying over. When it reaches that pressure, it'll automatically shut off, so it's a real nice feature. Another great feature, looks like a sheriff helicopter. They must be after me. They found me. Another great feature is the hose is on board. It's right there. You just pull out the hose, okay, and then you screw it into the top right here. And the hose is kind of short, but it doesn't need to be real long, right? And the little pouch that this comes in, it comes in a little nylon pouch. It blew away in the wind, but it's got the little adapters on the end for different valve types, okay? Now, what's great about this little guy, one, the price is pretty decent. Number two, it took about a minute to air up a bicycle tire, and I have aired up, I don't know, I've used this about 3 times now, airing up bicycle tires, and I just aired up my truck tire, okay? I needed about 6 pounds in each tire, and I put it on here, and I wasn't sure how well it would work, and it ran for 5 minutes, and it aired up my truck tire to 39 pounds, which is where I wanted it. I jumped over to the other side and did the same thing over there, and aired it up. It took about 5 minutes. And the great thing about it is, I'm not sure if you can see it in the sun. Not sure if you can see it in the sunlight, but we've still got 2 bars on this thing. Can you see that? Probably not. We've still got 2 bars of battery life, and that's impressive. You know, some of the other ones I tried, they really stunk. It was bad. They got really hot. After using them a couple of times, the battery was drained. One I pulled out of my bag to use it, and the battery's dead. It just died sitting in my bag, in my saddlebag, right? So really junk. And so I am really happy with this one right here. So I encourage you to go out there and check it out, because it's the best one I've found so far. And if you have something better, let me know. Hey, this is Richard with eBike Reviews. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and leave any comments down below. And until next time, ride safe.